Hey there, future Python professionals. Welcome back to Programming and Coding Explained, the channel where we help you turn your coding skills into a successful career. Today's video tackles one of the biggest questions aspiring programmers ask. How do I get a job in Python with no experience? If you've been learning Python but feel stuck when it comes to landing that first job, don't worry, you're not alone. Everyone starts somewhere. And the good news is that there's a clear path you can follow to break into the field. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what steps to take, what skills to focus on, and how to stand out as a Python beginner. Let's get started. First things first, if you're learning Python, you're already on the right track. Here's why Python is a fantastic choice for breaking into tech. Beginner-friendly. Python's clean syntax makes it one of the easiest programming languages to learn. Versatile. Python is used in a variety of fields, including web development, data science, machine learning, automation, and more. High demand. Python is one of the most sought-after skills in the job market, with roles ranging from junior developer to data analyst. Huge community. Python's active community means there are tons of resources, tutorials, and forums to help you learn and grow. Even if you don't have formal experience, the demand for Python skills creates opportunities for self-taught developers to break into the industry. Here's your roadmap to getting that first Python job. Step 1. Build a strong foundation. Before applying for jobs, make sure you're comfortable with Python basics, variables, loops, and functions. Object-oriented programming working with libraries like NumPy and Pandas. Don't worry about mastering everything at once. Focus on the essentials and build from there. Step 2. Work on real projects. Employers care about what you can do, not just what you know. Start building projects to showcase your skills. Automation. Write a script to automate a repetitive task, like renaming files or scraping data from a website. Web development. Build a simple web app using Flask or Django. Data analysis. Create a data visualization project using Matplotlib or Seaborn. The key is to create projects that solve real problems or demonstrate practical skills. Step 3. Create a portfolio. Once you've built a few projects, showcase them in an online portfolio. Use platforms like GitHub. Share your code and document your projects. Personal website. Build a website to display your work and explain your skills. LinkedIn. Highlight your Python projects and connect with professionals in the industry. A portfolio is a great way to prove your skills and make yourself stand out to potential employers. Step 4. Learn the right tools for the job. Different Python jobs require different tools. Here are some common paths and their essential skills. Web development. Learn Django or Flask. Data science. Focus on Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Automation. Get comfortable with libraries like Selenium or Beautiful Soup. Machine learning. Explore TensorFlow, scikit-learn, or PyTorch. Tailor your learning to the field that interests you the most. Step 5. Contribute to open source projects. Open source contributions are an excellent way to gain experience and connect with other developers. Look for Python projects on GitHub that align with your interests and start contributing. Fix bugs or write documentation. Add features or improve existing code. This not only sharpens your skills, but also builds credibility in the developer community. Step 6. Network. 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 Getting your first job is often about who you know. Here's how to build connections. Attend meetups, join Python or tech-related meetups in your area or online. Engage on social media. Follow Python professionals on Twitter or LinkedIn and participate in discussions. Join communities. Be active in Python forums or Discord groups. Networking can lead to referrals, mentorship, or even job offers. Step 7. Start small with freelance or internship work. Freelance gigs and internships are great for building real-world experience. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal often have beginner-friendly Python tasks. Automate data entry. Write small scripts, help with web scraping. Even unpaid internships can provide valuable experience and help you build your resume. Step 8. Tailor your resume for Python jobs. Even without formal experience, you can craft a resume that highlights your skills and projects. Skills section. List Python, libraries, and frameworks you've learned. Projects section. Showcase your portfolio with links to your GitHub or personal website. Relevant experience. Include freelance gigs, open source contributions, or personal projects. Focus on what you've done rather than what you lack. Step 9. Prepare for interviews. When you land an interview, be ready to show off your Python knowledge. Practice coding problems on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank. Review common interview questions related to Python. Be ready to discuss your projects, including challenges you faced and how you solved them. Confidence and preparation go a long way. Here's the thing, everyone starts somewhere. The most successful Python developers didn't begin with years of experience. They began with curiosity, persistence, and a willingness to learn. It's normal to feel overwhelmed or doubt yourself when you're starting out, but every small step you take, whether it's writing your first script, building a simple project, or contributing to an open source project, is progress. Each step gets you closer to your goal. And remember, employers aren't just hiring for experience, they're hiring for potential. If you can show that you're passionate, dedicated, and eager to learn, you'll stand out. Learning Python is an investment in your future. Tech jobs are growing, and Python skills are highly sought after. The effort you're putting in now will pay off in the long run. You're not alone. Millions of people are learning Python right now, and many of them are starting with zero experience, just like you. Lean on the community for support. Small wins add up. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Each success builds your confidence and brings you closer to landing your first job. The road to your first Python job might feel challenging, but the opportunities waiting on the other side make it all worth it. So, how do you get a job in Python with no experience? Build a strong foundation, work on real projects, network, and show employers what you're capable of. Remember, every expert programmer started right where you are now. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Programming and Coding Explained for more beginner-friendly tips and career advice. Got questions or need guidance? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help you on your journey. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. You've got this.